you all doing in Boss's Land? So you all are probably looking at me like, girl, what is going on? So I wanted to stop by really quick to debut a new unit I got. And excuse this unit, y'all, because I'm about to take this off actually, so I don't have it glued down. But I got a new unit from Nadula Hair. No, this video is not sponsored, but Nadula, if you want to sponsor Bossdom Chronicles, let me know. Reach out. My contact information is in the description box below. So to my new bosses, hey girls, hey guys, and to my returning bosses, how y'all doing? Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I drop a video. I was inspired to purchase this wig by my girl, Pretty Bree Moore. Y'all, Bree got me in a chokehold, okay? She just exudes soft girl vibes. Like, I'm totally in my soft girl era and have always been a girly girl, but even more so now. So I find myself gravitating towards my content creators who are very, like, I feel are very soft and just girly. I love Sharika B. She's so girly. I just love her. And honey, Brittany Pockets and Bows. Hello. So just to name a few, my girl Maya Galore, I think she is so girly and so pretty and all those things. But and Bree to me is just like the ultimate girly girl. Anyway, guys. So I wanted to debut this unit by Nadula Hair. Like I said, I was looking at one of Bree's old videos, and this is a unit that she actually debuted. So let's unbox it together, guys. So here in the unit, we have the combs. Honey, we are always here for a good edge brush. I got a trillion of these. I love this particular edge brush because it has the extra piece. Hopefully this is zoomed in pretty good and you guys can see it. So you can change out the piece once it gets yucky. Do y'all clean your edge brushes? Please make sure y'all clean your edge brushes because you get a good longer wear out of them when you clean them. So I normally take a rat tooth comb and I just like comb it through the bristles, and then I run it under hot water to keep mine clean. And then of course we have us a handy dandy lace strap to melt our lace. Love that for me. And then of course they provided us with, I had opened this already, so they did provide us with an HD wig cap. Love that. And I think 2 came here. I have one on under this unit actually, so love that. Yeah. So the next piece to this unit, guys, is the side tapes, which I like. I don't know if I would wear the side tapes. So that is the tape. Okay, the bye-bye knots. And so I don't know if I'm going to use those or not. I have to see what those are really for. I thought it was side tape, but it says bye-bye knots. Okay, y'all. Here is the unit. Let's pull her out. Ooh, she's pretty. Ooh, she is pretty. Oh my gosh, I like her. Oh, here's another a strap, the strap that you can attach to tighten her up so you can have that extra security. Ooh, y'all, I like her. Let me see if I can, hopefully y'all can see her. Let me take everything off. Sorry guys, I'm not putting her on because honey, I will not even do that to myself nor y'all on this internet, okay? I'm not a professional wig installer. I will try her on in the bathroom off camera and play around with her before I come on camera and install her, okay? But look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, she is cute, cute, cute. Look at that. There he goes. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? And I love the density. I will have this link down below if you all are interested in this unit. Now this, I think Bree had the 24 inches. This is, hold on y'all, I don't want to lie. I want to say this is 20 inches because I typically don't do anything past 20 inches. So, hold on, let me see if it's on this bag here. I want to say this is 20 inches, but when I try it on and show you guys when I have it on, I will let you know what the inches are, because yeah, this is 20 inches. I can tell you that right now. Yeah, this is 20. Y'all, look at the lace. Oh, look at that. Can y'all see that? Hopefully y'all can. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And look at the colors. I love the gold highlights. Oh my gosh, y'all, she is so pretty, so cutie. So yes, guys, I will be trying her on, and this is how she looks on the inside. This is the cap, okay, and here is the comb, nice wide comb in the back, and you have your tabs here that you can adjust. Hopefully y'all can see that, and you can adjust your tabs just to get that extra security that you need. And I love, this is what I love about this unit as well, guys. I think they have this in all their units, but I love this grip that they have here. See that shiny piece right here? That's the grip that further helps grips the unit. I absolutely love this. This is so cute. Y'all, I cannot get over this lace. Oh my gosh, this is a true HD lace, y'all. It is. And this is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. So, as you can see, the knots are bleached, and she is pre-cut, and she's pre-plucked. Now I am like Bria. I don't like heavy. I can't stand thick edges. So now my edges, I do need to, like, see right here. I can tell. I can look at a unit and tell where I need to pluck more. So right there on that side, I'm going to need to thin her out a little bit. But y'all, I cannot wait to customize this. And y'all, look at the tabs, the ear tabs. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try her on. Yes, y'all, she is so cute. She's a cutie. So when I come back on, I will definitely have her on. And I don't know, I might film a video with me laying her. Yeah, I think when I lay her, y'all, I'll film the video of me actually applying her, because I'm going to use, like I said, Bree's method and Sharika B's method, where I actually use like some popsicle sticks or something, just an extra tool to help me be able to lay the lace, the glue better. I know how to lay lace, y'all. It's just the application of the adhesive that gets me. And for me, also too, cutting the lace. And I know you do zigzag so that it can match your natural hairline. So the more you do it, guys, the better you become at it. Y'all see that? Y'all look, y'all know I do care, but it's not a big issue for me if I'm on camera and my lace is showing, because I am not a professional wig installer. Okay, I am working myself up to that where I can lay it and it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. We're getting there. It's just one of those things, ladies, the more you do it, the better you become at it. So I am here to tell you, I am not a professional. Like I said, this is showing probably because of the fact that I'm getting ready to take this off as soon as I start filming. I don't do the cap method. I think I'm going to start doing the cap method because of the fact that my hairline is a bit unique in that this part of my hairline is further back. Y'all, my edges are like to my brows. So I definitely don't want the middle part of my hair, you know, to down here. So I have like a small amount of space on my edges. So I was watching how Bree applies her units, and I love the way she does it. She does hers in sections. And one of the key tips I got from Pretty Bree Mua, as well as I am Sharika B. Sharika and Bree make their glue tacky, and you would think that I wouldn't. Well, I have been doing that, but the way they apply their glue, it helps with keeping it just clean. It's not messy or anything like that. I do use the even spray, and it dreams, y'all, and I cannot stand that because I have to take the alcohol and clean it, scrub my skin. I don't like that. And in addition to that, sometimes I get a bit too close in the way the lace lifts. I am not a bond glue girly. I prefer to, because my hairline is so far to the front. I'm not a bond glue girly because of my hairlines, especially on the sides. The glue tends to get into my hairline, and I have to be very delicate and gentle in pulling it out, and I don't want to mess up my edges. So I prefer to spray because I have the spray remover, and it's basically alcohol, y'all, and it literally lifts up and does not impact my hair. So I'm going to try Bree's and Sharika's method. I'm going to get me some popsicle sticks if I do decide to use a glue. I'm actually going to use the popsicle sticks as well to apply the spray. Instead of spraying it on my hair when it's draining down and all that stuff that I don't like, I'm going to actually, just spray it on my popsicle stick and then apply it to my hair. So anyway, that's enough of that. But again, ladies, this is the Nadula Hair, and this is the body wave. This is the 20-inch multicolored body wave unit. And as I state, I will definitely, link her down below so you all can check her out. Thanks, Bree girl, for the recommendation. I will be doing another review on a unit that Sharika B has, y'all, that I'm freaking obsessed with. And I have 2 more that Bree actually mentioned on her videos that I'm obsessed with. But y'all, I'm trying to slow it down, girl, because watching those girls, honey, they'll have me buying a unit every week. And I love me some units. I'm addicted to wigs, y'all. I love units. And so for a woman like me, y'all, my hair is very thick. I'm blessed with good, thick hair. Not good hair, but thick hair. That's not what I was going to say, good hair. But I'm blessed to have good, thick hair is what I'm trying to say. And even at my age, my hair still flourishes. It still grows very, very well, very thick. My hair does grow fast. I actually had my stylist to cut 6 inches off of it last year. And like 4 months later, we cut 6 more inches because, it does grow fast. At this age, for me, the reason why I wear a lot of units, thank you, Jesus, I don't have any issues with my hair. I wear a lot of units, guys, because it's a lot of work for me to do my own hair. Y'all, when I blow dry my hair, I'm literally sweating, okay? And I'm just not, honey, when my daughter turned 16 and I turned her loose to be able to get her own hair done, I did my baby's hair and my hair for 16 years. And I told her, when you turn 16, you can do whatever you want to your hair. Because her hair was crazy long and thick along with mine, and it was just a lot, y'all. So that's why I always wear units. You will always see me with a unit on or some braids, and I just don't wear my hair out. That's just me. I don't wear my hair out. It's crazy. I was talking to my friend girl a few weeks ago, and she was like, I never see your natural hair. I'm like, you probably never won't. You probably won't ever see my natural hair. And then again, you may. I'm thinking about doing something, y'all, so we'll see. But yeah, Auntie Natural Hair, honey, I have a halo. I love my gray. I'm obsessed with my gray. I love my natural hair. I love it. And when I take my hair out of my braids, and my fro is huge, and y'all, the halo is halo. And if you don't know what a halo is when your hair grays on the edges. I'm obsessed with my halo. And I just love it. But I have always been an individual that likes to protect her crowns, y'all. So don't think that I don't want to show you my gray hair, or I don't want to go gray, or honey, I have no problem. Because I age gracefully and beautifully. I have absolutely no problem with it. For me, it's more of a maintenance and a convenience thing. Okay? So anyway, ladies, that is it for this video. Again, check out Nadula Hair. Okay? And we will call y'all back because, as always, this is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice in what? And be glad in y'all. Take care. Happy shopping, y'all.